Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once the screen wakes up, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the settings option and tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll down through the settings, find the system option and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the option called battery manager. Once you find it, tap on it. And right here we can turn on the power saving mode by tapping on the switch next to battery saver. As you can see, now it's enabled and it says that the estimated battery life is 20 days. Okay, let's tap on the check mark, and that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, simply follow the same steps as we did before. So enter the settings, system, battery manager, and here tap on the switch next to battery saver to disable the mode. And here we have the estimation of days, and it's gonna last for the 11 days. Okay, we can also do this by using the controls menu. So go to the watch face, press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu, and look for the battery saver icon. If you don't have it on this menu, by default it's not here. Scroll down, tap on edit, scroll down, tap on plus, find the battery saver icon, tap on it to add it to the list, then press the back button, and the battery saver will appear on the list. And if you go back to the controls menu, you will have the battery saver icon. You can tap on it to enable the mode. You will see the message battery saver on. And if you want to disable the mode, press and hold the upper button, tap on the icon again. You will see battery saver off message, and that's how you enable and how you disable the battery saver or power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.